Hi, we're going to talk about density right now. First of all, let's define density. In physics, we define density as the mass per unit of volume. Now, this little symbol here is the Greek letter rho. It is the symbol that we're going to use for density in physics. Now, as far as units are concerned, if we have a mass per volume, our standard unit of mass in physics is the kilogram. And for volume, we would have meters cubed. Now, in other classes, you may have done grams per centimeters cubed, but in physics, we have to go with our standard units. So working with density is pretty straightforward. The one thing that you may have to do is make conversions between grams per centimeter cubed and kilograms per meters cubed. And it's pretty easy. 1 gram per centimeter cubed is equal to 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. And you can do that conversion on your own if you want, but this could save you some time, which I'm sure you appreciate. So if you were given the density of water, which is 1 gram per centimeter cubed, in our units, that would be 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. Same stuff, water, but just expressed in different units. What makes density important to us is that we're going to be dealing with fluid. And in fluids, we like to think of measuring amounts of fluids, not necessarily by mass, but by volume. And so this gives us a kind of a handy way to talk about the mass of a volume of a fluid. And so if I were to do a little bit of math on this, I would see that the mass of any object can be also expressed as its density times its volume. And this is going to be very, very handy for us. Okay, as far as doing problems in this, make sure you have your quantities in the right units, kilograms per meters cubed for density, meters cubed for volumes, and kilograms for mass. Let's do a quick example. Let's find the mass of 20 cubic meters of water. So since we're dealing with water, the density is going to be 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. And so all we have to really do here is multiply them together. So the mass is going to wind up being our density of 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed times our volume of 20 meters cubed. And the mass of this amount of water will wind up being 20,000 kilograms. Simple stuff.